Hi, I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy, and we're the Thrive Life Sisters.
Today, we wanted to take the opportunity to show you a few helpful guides that will help you in the kitchen with all of this freeze-dried food. So,
Me?
Do you want
Okay.
Or me.
So, we have a magnet, and with this magnet, it's like a quick reference guide. And what this is it tells you exactly how much freeze-dried food to how much water to equal how much it would be, whether it be fresh, how much time it is to refresh. This is just a really go-to chart, and it is a magnet that just goes at the back of your fridge. So this is a little bit helpful for those who really go by the book and follow the measurements and requirements, and it'll tell you exactly how much of dry food refreshed equals how much of fresh food. So you might like this.
And it's especially good for those that are on different diet programs. It helps to know exactly what you're eating in the refreshed form. So the other guide that's really helpful is this Thrive Guide. This Thrive Guide is really quite a handy book because, for instance, it's going to show you, let's just take a look at the corn, for instance. So the corn right here shows that the prep time, the prep is add 1/3 of a cup to 1 cup of sweet corn. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then it'll be tender and ready to be served. It'll give you some options. And the equivalency, fresh equivalency is right on there too. And that's a nice way to be able to see what you're getting. And that's related to the chart that Kathy just discussed.
But it breaks down all of our different foods that we have. And sometimes there's even recipes in there that teach you how to use the food, how to refresh it, and different ways to use it. So this is a great guide. We'll just show the front again so they can see what it looks like. Great guide to give tips and ideas of how to use our food. So these are 2 great tools. Just thought we'd share it with you. And yeah.
And take advantage of it. You can get these in a starter kit, or you can order them independently.
So. And remember to
share,
like, and follow.